This whole workshop for me was just a massive reminder of how we can really just take everything down to a real simple level and decelerate and pay attention.
Everything that I learned this weekend, I'm going to be able to bring back into my life. I'm going to think about it every time I go to sit and go to stand and lay down.
I've come out with my tank full of inspiration from exploring my own body, exploring my relationship to the floor, my relationship with all the other practitioners.
Irene and Ilya are wonderful teachers in that they offer such great ways to explore this without it feeling weird or artificial.
If I could say one thing, it's trust. You don't know what you don't know, and you just got to do this work.